Hello, Unique family, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a wonderful, awesome, amazing collaboration with the beautiful Carolina girls. If you're not familiar with the Carolina girls, their information is, of course, down in the description box below. Well, you know we love to come at you every single month with another collab, and this collab is marching into spring. Yes, spring is coming really soon, and I'm really excited about it because in North Carolina, it gets real cold, and mama's not built like that. So, you know, gotta have that heat. Come on, I'm a summer baby. I gotta have that heat. So in this collaboration, we will be doing Marching into Spring, and I'm really, really excited to see all the beautiful flowers blooming and all the wonderful array of colors. And oh, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. So today I'll be in my Oh What Fun palette from Avon and a couple of other things from Avon, and I am so excited to get diving into this. But before I do, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to like up this video and let me know down in the comments below what season is your favorite, because I'm a summertime baby and I always will be. And if you are not familiar with me, hello, my name is Patrice. Here I do a lot of things Avon, which includes unboxings, tips and tricks, and a lot of other things coming, like our Pokemon 25th anniversary series, and also a few other things in between. So if that is something that you're interested in, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any time that I upload a video here on this channel. Well, today we are opening up our quad. I love how it has that really big mirror and there's all these beautiful neutrals, but over here on this side is all these beautiful pastel colors. So we're going to be in this, I believe, between this row and this row of pastel colors today. I might come into here, just do dark creases or whatever, but I'm gonna stay pretty much in this little family here of color. And of course I have all my products laid out here. I always have down in the description box below everything I use in this video, whether it is a brand product or an Avon product, so you can shop our video in case you want to create the same look or even see something that you like. That way you will know where it came from. So I'm actually going to take off my glasses. I'm going to turn up the tunes. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music while I change my face until March into Spring.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found.
just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. But I'm so just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. But I'm so
have it. That is my pastel look for this March and this spring. I am absolutely loving the way it came out. It is, I had to do a second take because my first take was not happy with me, and I went, instead of the rainbow looking thing that I wanted to do, I just went with a soft purple pastel look. My lips are actually done with this Avon Glimmer Stick, and this is in the color Lilac. Yes, Crystal Lilac, and I am loving her. Really loving her. I had to keep pulling this little beauty out. I wonder what the other ladies did for their March in the spring look. Don't forget to look at their videos. I will leave, of course, my Carolina girls down in the description box below so you can go check them out. We hope that you had fun with us today. Take a little time to go smell the flowers, dance in the sun. Remember to be safe. God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.